Madam, na every year you dey born, you no dey tire? Nurse, I did not sleep last night. Go and sit down, nobody should disturb me today. All of you listen. I will call your name once. If you don't answer, next week. I want to ask question. Go and ask your husband at home. When you were doing it, did you ask me?
I created this video with free AI tools and no worries of if you are short on credit, you don't have to worry. I'll show you a way you can continue creating your videos even when you don't have credit on any tool you are using for your AI creation. So let's go. The first thing you do is you generate your story. Generating your story can be from any app. So I use ChatGPT to generate my story, and I told ChatGPT to give me a story of a hospital setting where a nurse is rude to pregnant women that came for antenatal. So ChatGPT gave me the dialogue prompt and the image prompt. So this is, I told ChatGPT to give me in 3 scenes. So ChatGPT gave me the 3 scenes, the 3 image prompts, and the 3 dialogue prompts for my video generation. If you want the prompt, just connect comment prompt. I'll put the prompt in the comment section. So after generating my prompt, I copy the image prompt and I head over to my Chrome browser and I use Flow AI to generate my image. I tried using the Chrome version of Flow AI, that's the web version. It was not working for me, so I had to download the app. So this is the app. So I've downloaded the app from Play Store. So I click on new project. So this is new project. So after clicking on new project, I paste my prompt. So I paste my prompt from ChatGPT. So and I checked the dimension I wanted it in 9:16 and I wanted one image. Flow AI generates image for free. So you don't need credit to generate image on Flow AI. So my image is generating. So this is my image. My image has been generated. I just click on it and download my image. So my image has automatically downloaded to my phone. So this is my image. It has been saved. Let me save my image on my phone. Okay. So I'll go back to ChatGPT again and copy my second image prompt. So if you don't have doc to save your whatever ChatGPT has given you, ChatGPT also have a memory. Just click on these 2 dots, you'll see whatever you have done and you can continue chatting with ChatGPT. So I'm now in my prompt. So I'll copy my image prompt, go back to my flow, paste it, and click on. So I'll click on generate. It's generating. So I go back again to my ChatGPT, copy out my third prompt for my image because I have 3 scenes for the video generation. I'll paste my image on the first image that was generated for me. So I'll paste my prompt, my second image prompt on that same image. So it will use the same face, the same scene. Okay. And okay, my image has been generated. So this is the same scene and the same faces of the people I got from my first prompt. If you don't do like this, so click on these 3 dots and download my image. If you don't do it this way, you generate images that are different, that have different faces, which is not what you want for your generation. So I've generated my 3 images for my story. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to generate my dialogue. I'll go back to ChatGPT and this ChatGPT, copy my dialogue prompt and go back to Flow AI. Click on new project. So I'll paste my, I'll copy, I'll go back to my images. So these are my images. So I'll now click on video. So I'll click on video, I'll click on 9 by 16. So I'll choose Omni Flash. Omni Flash is the new feature in Flow AI, so that you can use to create very good videos. So before I'll now upload, I'll choose the image I want to use. So this is my image. So I'll upload my image is uploading. So my image has been uploaded. So the next thing I'll do is I will paste my prompt. I'll paste my prompt. So I will adjust my prompt and say, let her speak in Nigerian English. This is very important. If you don't do this, your characters will start speaking in English, but might not be in Nigerian English, might be in foreign English or any English that is different from where your target audience are. So if your target audience are Nigerians, just click on Nigerian English. So my video has been generated. Flow AI generates videos very fast. So this is my video. So I'll click on it and choose 720p, which is you, and download my image, my video. Sorry, download my video to 720p. My video has been saved. So the next thing I'll do, I'll click on it to generate my second scene. So I'll click on it again, go back to my images and upload my image. So this is my image. My image is uploading. So you have to be patient and allow the image to upload. So my image have been uploaded. So the next thing is to go and, so this is my image. It's taking a little time. So okay, so I'll now paste my prompt. So I'll go through my prompt again to be sure it is what I want. If it's not what I want, I'll adjust it to what I want. So I will make sure I put let her speak in Nigerian English, because where your target audience is where you want them to speak like. So let her speak in Nigerian English. And I also put the actions I want. So she walked back to her, I'll type, she walked back to her seat. I want her to say this thing while walking back to her seat. So she walked back to her seat and okay, I'll choose video 9 by 16, Omni Flash, generate. So this is what I want. After speaking, I want her to walk back to her seat. So I'll click on these three dots, choose 720 and download it to my phone. So I've downloaded it to my phone. So if you are running on low on credits, okay, doesn't mean your credit has been exhausted. Just click on dismiss, it will go. So if you've exhausted your credits for that day, so what you do, just go back, sign out and sign in with another email again, and you continue your generation. So if you want to continue your generation, just go back, upload your image. Image generation is free, so upload your image and paste your prompt. You can continue your generation. So to merge my videos together, I want to make this video as short as possible. To merge my videos together, go over to InShot or CapCut or any editing app I want. So I'm using InShot for this video. So I'll upload my two videos. Sorry, I'll upload my two videos. So these are my video. So this is the second one. So after then, I'll add whatever I want to add on this particular video. I'll add it. If I want to add captions. If I want to make it brighter or any editing I want to do, I'll do it on the video and click on export. So if you are short on credit in a particular website or a particular app, just make sure you have enough Gmail or email address. You can sign up with another email address and continue generation, provided you've generated your images, and your images will just continue the flow of your generation. And don't forget to let them speak in a particular English of a country you know your audience is coming from. Because if you put it in the first one and you don't put it in the next one, which are using another Gmail to generate, they might be speaking in two different English.